Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to see credits of a song on Spotify. So let's start. First, open the Spotify app. When the app opens, you will see an interface like this. And at the bottom of the screen, just above the menu, you can see that I am now listening to a song. Now to see the credits of the song, first you have to open the play card of the song. Tap on the song name to open the play card. This is the play card of that song. Now tap on the three dots on top right corner. And here you will see the option Show Credits. Tap on that. And this is the credits of this song. This song was performed by a band named Creator. And this song was written by 4 people. And you can see there is a dash on Produced By. It is unknown. And the source is Nuclear Blast, which is a record label. And these are the credits of this song. And this is how you can see credits of any song on Spotify. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.